recipe for today is siomai with shrimp, and these are my ingredients: 2 pounds of ground pork, half a cup of shrimp, 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of jicama, 2/3 cup of onions, salt, pepper, sesame oil, ground oatmeal, 1 egg, and the wonton wrapper. I'm going to mix all my ingredients together. The jicama, or we call it singkamas in the Philippines, the carrots, the onions, the shrimp, I use my hands. Salt and pepper, the sesame oil, the ground oatmeal, and the egg. It's time to wrap. I'm using this. This is the condiment cup that you get from the restaurant. I'm using this as my measuring cup. Fill it up to the brim. Okay. You won't believe this, but it was my husband who taught me how to wrap. So do this, do that, and then turn, 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 and then squeeze in the middle, like that. In the meantime, I'm preparing my steamer. probably 15 minutes. Siomai is cooked. It took about 15 minutes. So this is now our siomai. Homemade siomai.